Hi, my name is Josh Munson, and I'm the Science Department Chair at College Station High School. I'd like to take a couple of minutes to discuss the science course offerings available for incoming freshmen. Incoming freshmen have two choices: biology or pre-AP biology when it comes to their science class. So let's look at the differences between those two courses. We'll start out by looking at the prerequisites. If you notice here with on-level biology, there is no prerequisite. If we move over here to pre-AP biology, there's the prerequisite course of Algebra 1, either on-level or pre-AP, prior to your freshman year. In addition to that, a 90 or above average in your current science class, and a science teacher recommendation. Let's also look at the differences in the course itself. The content is going to be relatively consistent. The content is determined by the state of Texas. But the pace and the grade distribution and the way in which we calculate grades is going to be different in the two classes. Grades in a biology class are going to be distributed 70%, 30%, which means 70% of the grade is going to come from tests, 30% is going to come from daily assignments. That's different than a pre-AP biology class. A pre-AP biology class, 75% of the grade is going to come from tests, and 25% is going to come from daily assignments. So we have an increased percentage, an increased weighting of tests in a pre-AP course over a non-level course. And that makes a difference because of the retesting policy. In an on-level course, retesting is available for students who make below a 75. In a pre-AP course, there is no retesting available. So students who make below a 75 retain that grade in the gradebook. In a biology class that's pre-AP, there is increased depth and rigor with the content. And because we go into the content with that increased depth, it requires us to go faster. So there is faster pacing. So we go through the content quicker than would a non-level biology class. When it comes to homework and outside reading, we are going to see more of that in a pre-AP biology class than we would an on-level biology class. But both classes are going to be responsible for taking the STAR EOC biology test given by the state of Texas at the end of each school year. Let's look at how the decision made the freshman year impacts science courses going forward. So here we have the freshman biology class. Here we have the freshman pre-AP biology class. What you notice on this flowchart is that solid arrows indicate the path that the majority of students take. Dashed arrows indicate the path that some students take. So what we want you to recognize by looking at this flowchart is that the choice made as a freshman, whether pre-AP biology or biology, does not set you down a path that cannot be changed. So we do have students that move from the on-level biology course as a freshman to our pre-AP chemistry course as a sophomore. We also have students move from pre-AP biology as a freshman to our chemistry course as a sophomore. No one path is set in stone, and ultimately we want the success of students, while at the same time challenging them to be the best Cougar that they can be. We hope that this video has been helpful and informative, and we look forward to speaking with you and answering any questions you may have at Welcome to the Pride. Go Cougars!